Demo for Mission Algebra.
The sneaky bracket.
This is the basic math rules that applies for every math questions. We are using green buttons for positive numbers and red button for negative numbers. Now, let's start with mission 1. Our question for mission 1 is this. So now, we are going to expand the bracket. So 5 times x is 5x, which is a positive number. So we are going to put 5 green buttons in column x. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, 5 times 1 is 5, which is also a positive number. So we are going to put another 5 green buttons in numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, minus 2x. So we are going to take away 2 green buttons from x. So the final answer is 3x plus 5.
The minus trap.
Now let's start mission 2. Starting from mission 2 and the following missions, we are going to use red buttons for negative numbers. This is the question for mission 2. First, 2x. We are just going to put 2x in the x column. Since 2x is a positive number, we are going to put 2 green buttons in x. 1 and then 2. Now, there is a bracket, right? So negative 3 times positive y. As you can see in the basic math rule, negative times positive equals to negative, which is red color. So we are going to put 3 red buttons in column y. 1, 2, and 3. Now, negative 3 times positive 1. So, as according to the rules, negative times positive equals to negative, which is red color. So, negative 3 times positive 1 equals to negative 3. So, we are going to put 3 red buttons in column n. 1, 2, and 3. So, the final answer is 2x minus 3y minus 3.
Double bracket showdown.
Now, let's move on to mission 3. For the past missions, there just was a single bracket. But for this mission, there are 2 brackets. So, this is our equation for mission 3. As usual, we are going to expand the bracket. So, 3 times x is 3x, which is a positive number. So, we are going to put 3 green buttons in column x. 1, 2, and 3. Now, positive 3 times negative 1. As per the rules, negative times positive equals to negative. So, positive 3 times negative 1 equals to negative 3. So, we are going to put 3 red buttons in column n. 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's start with the second bracket. Positive 2 times positive y equals to positive 2y. So, we are going to put 2 green buttons in column y. 1 and 2. Positive 2 times positive 2 equals to positive 4, which is also a positive number. So, we are going to put 4 green buttons in column n. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since there are 2 different types of buttons here, we are going to make it a single color. But how? So, we are going to remove it as a pair, like 1 green button for 1 red button. 1 green button for 1 red button. 1 green button for 1 red button. So, this is our final answer. (3x plus 2y plus 1).
Variable flash.
Mission 4. So, this is the equation for mission 4. So, first 2x, so which is a positive number. We are going to put 2 green buttons in column x, 1 and 2. Now, plus 4x, so we are going to add another 4 green buttons in column x. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, minus 1x. So, we are going to take 1 button away from column x. So, the final answer is 5x.